how to send meeting invite in Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Outlook and make sure that you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on the calendar icon from the left side toolbar and further tap on the new event option you see there. Now in the invitation pop-up that appears, go ahead and firstly add in the title and then go ahead and tap on the invite attendees option you see there, and now enter the details of the user that you want to add. Now, select the date and time and further make any changes if necessary. Finally, tap on the send button you see there, and with this, the invitation will be sent. So, this is how you can send meeting invite in Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.